What's up, YouTube? This is 05 the NSRT4 coming from Lancaster, California. Special shout out to Sarah B. So right now we're working on the Pathfinder, and what's wrong with the Pathfinder is the latch. If you see here, it's broken. So, and you see it has the parking lights and the camera there. So what I'm doing is I got a replacement from Amazon. Here it is. So I used a pry tool here to remove this for the camera. And this already came with a button, but I'm going to use the OEM button. And this removes like so. So it's one piece. So I have to remove the cover here. You can see I have to remove that so I can remove this, which is this. Go like so. So I probably won't do it tonight, maybe tomorrow, and we'll see. So I'm gonna use pry tool to remove that, and this whole piece should come off. So here's the piece. And that's all exposed. So I think I have to get, let's see, yeah, looks like I need to remove a couple bolts, and there, and it should pop out. We shall see. So you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4, and it should come out. Okay, so it comes with these attachments. I didn't see it last night. So these attach to the body. So one goes here. Let's see if I can see this. Oh. Let's see if I can get this. I don't know if this is right. I think I'm gonna have to disconnect this. It didn't come with instructions, so let me figure it out. Okay, so this piece apparently comes off. So now I think I'm able to attach this. Okay, maybe I'll get back to you. Okay, I got it attached. Well, let's see if I can get the old one out. Okay, so it's been removed, and there are 2 screws that hold the camera here. See here. In place, so I gotta remove these 2 screws here, and I should be in business. Don't ask me how I got that LED bulb in there. I don't know. So there are 4 8mm bolts, nuts. There, and the other one there. All right, so here it is. And it does work. And the camera's connected. So now we just got to button up. Okay, so it's installed. You can see it. And it works. Like so. We have it's all back in. All right, YouTube. Shout out to SRB.